Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So Ursa Major's newest product is their Bright and Easy 3-minute flash mask. It comes in a little jar, looks like that, in a box like this. So anyway, yeah, so it's a nice quick pick-me-up. It's a gel, and the idea behind the product is that it's a great alternative to a harsh chemical peel or really abrasive scrub. It contains a blend of plant-derived enzymes and alpha and beta hydroxy acids, which basically help to exfoliate the skin, so remove dead skin cells, improve luminosity, firmness, tone, texture, just make the skin look sort of brighter and fresher. So yeah, it's a gel-like texture, so it's actually quite refreshing on the skin because it's got a bit of a cooling effect, and then it's got a really nice scent too. It's got sort of like a citrusy but fruity at the same time, although I guess citruses are fruits. Anyway, my point is that it has pineapple, orange, and coffee scent. So you just put a very thin layer on the skin like this. You can leave it on for as little as 3 minutes to get good results, but you can leave it on for longer. So yeah, you can't really see that it's on my skin. It's pretty much transparent. My skin looks a little shiny now, obviously, but because I put it on my forehead. So yeah, it rinses off really nicely too. So you just leave it on for a little while, and then rinse it off, and you're done. In addition to the plant enzymes and the alpha beta hydroxy acids, it contains a few other things that help with firmness and texture and whatnot. So overall, if you're looking for like a really quick way, just a couple times a week to give your skin a nice sort of boost and refresh, then I think this is definitely a good choice. Natural product too, which is great. A lot of organic ingredients in it. So check it out, the Ursa Major Bright and Easy 3-minute flash mask, available on shopmasc.com and of course in the store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.